get the parakeets, right?
Yeah. Where we going? Oh my God. She's catching it. Oh, they're flying. Whoa. Oh my gosh. What's that?
She got one.
She did got one.
Are you guys excited?
Yes. Whoa. Oh my gosh. She's gonna get another one. It's scaring me.
You guys excited?
Yeah. Damn, she needs to get free.
So did you get one more?
That's it. We're getting 4 birds.
Yeah.
Oh my God. That didn't make any sense.
So you'll have 2 and Sarah will have 2, right?
And look at these birds. They're blue and green, and there's some down there. There are 2 of them. They're so cute. Not too much.
Oh,
They're so cute,
yeah.
guys.
They're super cute.
Oh, they're itching themselves.
They're itching?
Yeah, maybe they have pimples in their back.
So there's a blue and a green one.
They're playing each other.
They're playing with each other?
But there's no over here. Do you see?
Yeah.
There's no over here. There's...
Oh, look at this blue one. Honey. Yeah. So you want to get 2 blue and 2 green?
I want this one. I want this one. That little cute white one.
But that's by itself. We need like pairs. So let's get 2 blue and 2 green, okay?
Let's go.
You guys want to get 2 green and 2 blue?
Yes. Hi guys. Today we brought this parrots at home. Do you see? They're so cute. Yeah. Whoa.
We purchased 2 green and 2 blue ones, right?
Yeah. We call them Sonia, Tanya.
You got a nice cage for them?
Yeah. Look,
Yeah,
I know that. Our bird name is Sonia, Tanya, and Aisha, and Vivian.
And Vivian?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
And
They're happy.
Aisha, and Sonia, and Tanya.
We got the swings, we got the little ladder that they climb on,
Yeah. And some guys.
and we got foods.
Guys, and that orange thing.
Yeah, we bought the food from Pet-mart, and also we bought the parakeets from Pet-mart. So they're just relaxing
And playing.
and they're just enjoying themselves.
And playing.
The cage is like we got an extra big cage,
They fall down.
so the cage is very nice.
1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 birds. When they grow up, then they talk.
Then they'll talk. You're gonna train them to talk.
Yeah, because they can cough at us like this, like that. They can comb their hair like this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You guys are happy?
Yeah. If they grow up, then they talk.
Oh yeah.
They're super duper scared. They fly.